Hello everyone, my name is Álvaro Carrillo Botello. I am an software development studying in Sena. Today I am going to debate how technology is transforming nursing and healthcare science. Technology has changed the way nurses work, communicate and care for patients. Some technologies improved the tool that already exists and while other completed in changing the way healthcare science is delivered. In this presentation, I will explain the difference between revolutionary and revolutionary technologies, how they affect nursing, and how they change healthcare science cultures. Let's begin. Okay, healthcare is our of the sector that's inspiring the greatest technological evolutions. Today, hospitals use digital systems that make medical care faster, safer, and more efficient. For example, electronic health records allow healthcare professionals to access patient information immediately. Telehealth has also grown rapidly, allowing doctors and nurses to help patients from different locations. Artificial intelligence is another important technology that will continue to improve healthcare over the next few years. Understanding these technological changes helps healthcare professionals prepare for the future. Now, let's talk about revolutionary products. Revolutionary products improve existing tools instead of replacing them completely. They healthcare professionals were more efficient without changing the basic way they provide care. For example, paper medical records had evolved into electronic health records. Traditional blood pressure monitors had become modern digital devices. These devices provide faster and more accurate patient information. Communication has also improved. Instead of prayers, healthcare workers now use security messaging explication. Another important example in the computer side and provider order entry system. This technology helps reduce medical errors and improve patient safety. By the year 2030, nurses will have integrated these technologies into almost every part of their daily work. Now, let's look at revolutionary products. Analyze revolutionary products, revolutionary technologies completely transform healthcare trends. They create new ways of diagnosing disease and treating patients. Artificial intelligence can detect disease much earlier than traditional methods. This allows doctors and nurses to make better clinical decisions. Robotic surgery has also transformed modern medicines. Robotic systems help persons perform highly precise operations. Wearable devices continuously monitor the patient health. If a problem appears, nursing resets an immediate alert. Virtual reality is another revolutionary innovation. is help train healthcare professionals and even reduce pain in some patients. By 2035, surgeons will have been using robotic systems for more than 20 years. Okay, it also changes culture on nursing wear. Today, nurses can care for patients even when they aren't physically together. One important example is telenursing through virtual consultations. Nurses can reach people who live in rural areas and cannot travel. Communication has also evolved. Patients and healthcare professionals can communicate and through serious messaging and video calls. Another important change is patient empowerment. Today, patients can access their medical record and become more involved in their own healthcare. Real-time and translation tools also help nurses communicate with people who speak different languages. These technologies improve communication and make healthcare more accessible for everyone. Technology has also transformed the way nurses learn and make decisions. Today, learning is continuous. Healthcare professionals with mobile applications, virtual simulation, and online courses to improve their knowledge. Evidence-based practice in become more important every year. Nurses can now access scientific information directly while caring for patients. Another important innovation is data-driven decision making. Artificial intelligence can analyze patient information and predict health problems before they become serious. Cloud platforms also improve teamwork between doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and other healthcare professionals. By 2030, nurses will have been working with artificial intelligence for more than 5 years. Finally, we like to close by saying that technology is transforming nursing in many different ways. Some technologies improve the tools that nurses already use every day. Electronic health records, digital monitoring system, and computer-science medical order make healthcare faster, safer, and more efficient. Other technologies completely change the way healthcare is provided. Artificial intelligence, robotic surgery, wearable devices, and virtual reality and creating new opportunities to improve patient care. Technology is not replacing nurses. Instead, it is helping them provide better care and make better decisions. As software development studying, I believe technology will continue transforming healthcare in the future. Software developers and healthcare professionals will work together to build a smarter, safer, and more innovative healthcare system. I believe innovation will continue improving people lies around the world.